Hey, see Lindelof videos using your ti-nspire to convert angles that are shown as degrees, minutes, and seconds into degrees with a decimal point and a decimal after it. That would look like this, as an example. If I was given 232 degrees, 7 minutes, 57 seconds, and I was asked to put that into decimal form, that decimal form should come back as 232.1325 degrees. So that's what we're trying to figure out. You can grind this out by hand or even with a calculator, but this calculator does it in a really easy way. So I thought we'd take a quick look at that tonight. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we are. This is what I'm going to do. I need to take this form, degrees, minutes, seconds. And to do that, it's really easy. If you just go right here, so you see where the 9 keys, I'm just going to go to the key after that, right here. And I'm going to open that up. And if you take a quick look, it's very confusing. It's not the easiest thing to see. But if you can see right here, this is a degree sign, this is the minute sign, this is the second sign, and it tells us it's going to give us 3 places to put those. So there it is, right? I'm going to go back to here. And remember, we had 232, right? Remember to use your right cursor to get over to the next spot. You can't just type it into your next spot. And we had 7 minutes, didn't we? Again, right cursor over right here. I'm going to just right cursor over. And 57 seconds, right? All right, so we're almost there. First off, make sure you get your calculator outside of this second thing right here, right? And then from here, all we're going to do is go to the catalog. All right, so I'm already here, but look, this is how I would have done it. We would have been right here. I would have just typed the number 2, which would have brought you over to here. And then it would have brought you to this, actually. It would have brought you in the main menu. It would have brought you to angles. And when you chose angle here, it would have brought you right to here. And this gives you the sub menu. And you can see I've been converting to degrees, minutes, seconds. But now I want to convert the other way. So I want to convert to decimal degrees. Hit enter. So go down, cover that, hit enter. There it is. So I just want to give you a picture of what it should look like. So we used this screen here, right? We used this screen down here by the 9 to put this into this form, to put it into degrees, minutes, second form. We went over to the catalog, right? We opened the catalog up. We went down the main menu to where it said angle. We opened that part of the menu. It gave us a sub menu, and we went down to where it said convert to degrees with decimals or whatever it said, right? And then just hit enter. So this is really weird. And the reason that your CAS calculator would do this is because it's most precise. Don't freak out. Don't freak out at all. This is actually a really cool answer because it doesn't have any rounding errors, no float values. So if you don't like that answer, hit control and then hit enter again, right? And it gave me 232.133 degrees. All right, and you can see here the answer that we were thinking we were going to get is not the one I got because my float values must be different than on the calculator I was using earlier. So if remember, the more float values you have, right, the more spaces after the decimal point, the more accurate your answer will be. But there's that. All right. Hope this video was helpful. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. And do me a favor, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And last favor, if you have anything really cool that you figured out this calculator can do, and you're willing to share that, that would be good. So I appreciate it. All right. Good night.